If you think you can't wear a sultry cat eye because you have hooded eyes, think again. I'm gonna show you how to get this cat eye for hooded eyes. Hooded eye ladies, you have to prime your eyelids and set them, especially if you don't want your eyeshadow creasing. If you don't like using concealer, this is the new Morphe one, which I've been actually really liking. Just use an eyeshadow primer. Other thing you have to do is set. Even if you have the smoothest eyelids, if you have hooded eyes, they're gonna crease. This is the Polite Society powder. To make sure you have the most real estate on your eye, do your eyebrows first. Just fill in the sparse areas. You don't need to do anything crazy, but this will help shape and frame your eye. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil. Then set your eyebrow. For a cat eye on hooded eyes, tape will be your best friend. Put it on the back of your hand first, and then put it on your eye. Start from the corner of your lower lash line and place it out towards your temple. I'm gonna zoom you in so you really can see the details. Grab a medium-sized fluffy brush and a mid-tone brown. This can be 1 or 2 shades darker than your skin color. Adding a darker color here is gonna pull back that hood. And don't be afraid to bring it out towards your temple. This will really give you that cat eye effect. Now go in with a smaller fluffy brush or pencil brush and go in with a darker brown. You're gonna buff this right along your tape. Then go in with the black color. And I'm starting right on the line and slowly buffing upwards. Since my hood folds basically past my eye, I'm gonna flick it up a little bit to add a little bit more depth there. Then go in with a flat angled brush and press right along the tape. Pro tip, do a little bit with your eye open and then close your eye and do it open again so you're really getting in every angle. Then take a lighter shade and start in the inner corner and press it outwards. I'm using the Natasha Denona Mini Sculpt palette. This has been one of my favorites and you can create so many looks with it. Now we're gonna line the lashes with some black eyeshadow. This makes the eyelashes look thicker. Time to take off the tape. Look at that. We're gonna finish the lower lash line with a little bit of brown on the small fluffy brush. Pro tip, look up into a mirror. For a more sultry effect, I added a little bit more of the darker brown and pressing it just on the outside along my lash line. This will bring everything together. I'm lining my upper and lower waterline. This is gonna give you that more sultry cat eye effect. Add some mascara. This is the Milani tubing mascara. Now see, you can wear it like this. If you just bring it in a little bit closer, you don't need any false lashes. Would you wanna see a tutorial like that? Let me know in the comments. Since I want this to be a little bit more dramatic, I am gonna add false lashes, so I will be right back. And now you have a sultry cat eye on your hooded eyes. If you wanna learn the basics of hooded eye makeup, check out my online hooded eye makeup course at mckaysmakeup.com. If you wanna know the best lashes for hooded eyes that I love, I have a video on my favorite hooded eye eyelashes. Follow for more hooded eye makeup tips and check out my hooded eye playlist.